These are huge, huge advantages for IT, having that optionality, having that choice. One of the foundations of IT is something called IT portfolio management. And this is really just like financial stock portfolio management. What we have is we have a limited amount of money and time and resource to invest in order to enable our employees to be productive and our companies to thrive. And so just like a financial trader, we will invest in some technologies, we will hold on some technologies, and when technologies stop working for us, we'll divest ourselves of those technologies. Likewise, as market pricing is affecting how we can buy and what we buy, we have to change things up. We can't always buy the most expensive choice just because that's the vendor we've always worked with. And so in IT, we try to avoid vendor lock-in. We try to avoid long-term ELAs. We try to avoid some of those draconian pricing practices. And the challenge is that in the past, if we standardized on those vendors' tools, they were proprietary, they were unique. And so when pricing became draconian, or when prices rose, or when there wasn't inventory, it was very, very hard for us to carry out our mission. And so today with Nutanix, look, I can run the Nutanix operating system on my choice of hardware vendors. And so if one vendor is having supply chain issues, as many have done during the COVID coronavirus pandemic, then no problem, I can work with another vendor. And if I'm deciding that I'm going to stop using one vendor's ERP system and I want to use another vendor's ERP system, no problem. I can run the old system and I can run the new system on Nutanix operating system. These are huge, huge advantages for IT, having that optionality, having that choice of hardware substrate, of cloud, of application layer, having that choice at all times. And by the way, whether it's because market conditions changed or my own poor planning, if I happen to get it wrong or if things change, then I can change as well. Having that choice to move from mode to mode, from cloud to cloud without huge reinvestment, that is at the core of what we hope to have in IT portfolio management, which is choice and optionality and flexibility and control.